Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have November's Zenpop box unboxing video for you, and I don't know, I kind of feel like the mail is starting to pick up again, so boxes are slowly trickling in sooner. I don't know, I'm not really sure. I don't want to jinx it. Okay, I take that back, I don't want to jinx it. So November's theme is shining stars. Oh, I love this very like space-like theme. Let's just get right into the unboxing. Oh, okay. I'm excited because it looks like there's quite a few stationery items. So I'll take these items and I will try them out at the end of the video. And yeah, ooh, okay. Sorry, I just noticed Luna sticker. I have a few plushies of her now. I assume it's her. I'm actually not sure. But this is such a cool sticker. I think this is like a bonus item. So cute. Alright, and then we have Jimby-san from the Sanex line and a notepad. So I think there's two different types. You've got this design here and then this design. So cute. Oh, love it. We have some washi tape, which I will try probably towards the end. And oh, this is candy. Alright. I don't know for sure because I haven't tried it, but I've seen quite a few people use these as sugars to sweeten their tea. So the last time I got this, I actually ate the whole thing, which probably wasn't a good idea for my teeth because they're actually quite hard. So I think what I'm going to do is put this maybe in I think I can probably make 2 cups of tea with this. Whoops. So yeah, I'll put this in my tea and then have it sweetened before I drink it. And then we have a paper clip, but it's like a star paper clip. I think it literally is just a regular paper clip, but just with stars at the tip on the handles. How do I open this? Okay, I do that. There we go. Gotcha. Alright, yeah, it's a star paper clip with just thicker handles, so just easier to grip. That's kind of cool. I don't think I've seen this design before. And then we have some post-it notes, sticky notes. Open that up. This is completely black, which would make sense. Oops, sorry. I don't know why I apologize there. Which would make sense because there's a white gel marker. So maybe we'll try that on this paper at the end. And then we've got stickers. Oh, these are so cool. Don't know if it's going to be clear enough. You might need a white backdrop and I'll zoom in a bit more. But how pretty are these? Oh, I'm like in love with these sort of stickers, even though, as I've said many times, I don't use them in my actual planner because they add bulk, and I already hate that stickers add bulk to planners. I'm just weird like that. But these are so nice. So pretty. And then zoom back out. I think this is, it's like a pencil case, right? Yeah, mask pencil case. So I'm just kind of reading, it says mask pencil case. I'm not actually sure what that means. I wonder if it's a, oh, it's a pencil case for your masks. Duh, Celina. Which, if you live in Melbourne, or if you live in Victoria, Australia, you know that right now masks are mandatory when you're out and about. There are some exceptions, like if you're eating and stuff like that, you don't necessarily have to, or exercising, and I'm sure there's like other exceptions, but for the most part, masks are mandatory, so it has become part of our day-to-day life, and I'm sure it is for many parts of the world. So you've got 2 face masks here, which is really nice, and I think how it works is that this is like, if I open this, that's the pencil case. So I can put stuff there. And then, oh, alright, and then there's a little opening here where you can put your masks. So I guess you could just store your masks here. And so you got your masks and your pencil case, which actually is not a bad idea because right now in Melbourne, masks are mandatory. It's very easy to still forget that and then leave the house and then forget your masks. So I often have like a couple stored in my car, in my handbag. I just have them everywhere just in case. But this is kind of a cool idea as well. Oh, I actually really like this. Cool. Alright, so Oh yeah, and the washi tape. I almost forgot the washi tape. Just give me 2 seconds to open these up. Okay, so I've got 2 washi tapes. This one, I don't know if it's actually washi tape, so I thought I would just show you this one first. It is so pretty. Can you see this? I actually don't know how to really describe it, except it's amazing. I just love the blue skies. It's so calming, but also with the foiling and the 2 different types of foiling, blue and silver. It's amazing. All right, this one feels a bit different. You can see there's this plastic wrap around it. So if I try to take that off, it's a little different. So can you tell that it's actually not solid, but it's like waves? Yeah, it's like the Starry Night, but waves, which means here you kind of have exposed bits of stickiness, if that makes sense. So you probably don't want to throw this around in your pencil case because it means the tip of the waves get less sticky over time. So I'd probably have to make sure I store this away and make sure there's no dust that can attach itself to it, but that's really unique. I love that wave effect. It's so cool. All right, I'm really impressed with the washi tape. Honestly, I'm kind of impressed with this month's box. This is probably one of my most favorite boxes because I think I like everything in this box right now. I'm just like looking at everything on my desk and I'm like, no, I really like everything in this box. I can absolutely use everything. That's not always the case. Sometimes it's like 1 or 2 items I either can't use, have to give away or something, but no, I'm like looking around, I'm like everything is amazing in this month's box. All right, let's try out the pens. I'm gonna try out the gel pen first. You know, I've been having some gel pen issues, like white gel pen issues, even though I think I have the Uniball Signal, but this one looks different for some reason. So I don't know if it's like a different version or something, but you know, let's try it out. Hopefully it works well. Oh, this is good. This is really, really good. It's so inky and solid. I'm like actually really impressed and surprised that my other one didn't work. So the one that I usually use is this one that sits on my desk. It's a Sakura Jelly Roll. So if I try that for comparison, okay, it's showing me up and it's doing better than it usually does. Usually in my bullet journal, if I color in a section black and then I try to use this to write, it doesn't work very well. And you can still see the difference. This is thicker and more solid in color. So I actually really like this. I think I'm going to keep this on my desk and then try this out on some of the black patches in my bullet journal and see how I go. Okay, so let's move aside with a regular notebook and test out the last 2 pens. So this looks like a Sakura Jelly Roll, and I think it is. It says Sakura, but there's like the word moonlight on here, so I don't know if that means anything. I wonder if this is like a highlighting pen. Yeah. It's very, very inky, but you guys can see it's more of a fluorescent yellow. And then this one is a gel tip, so I've not seen this one before. Mark Plus, 2-way color marker, Kokuyo. I wonder if this is new. I honestly have not seen this before, but let's give it a shot. So looks like we've got the color blue, and one end is basically a solid highlighter. I like the color. I love these non-conventional colors. Like, I'm not a big fan of the ultra fluorescent colors, so I'm impressed with this. And then the other side is what just looks like a regular pen. Yeah. Oh, it's very fine tip though. Like more fine tip than I thought. And does the color seem different to you? Like this to this? This seems more gray. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Maybe the pen's supposed to be gray and then the highlighter is supposed to be a particular color. Could be. I don't know. I've not had that pen before, but I love it. So yeah, that is everything in November's Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am so impressed with this box. It's probably my favorite box of the year so far. And I feel like I can comfortably say that because we're almost at the end of the year, but I'm really impressed with this month's box. So yeah, I'm really excited for December to see what they've got installed. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.